Hello guys, me again. We got another video for the dividing fractions. And your example for this one is Simple Solutions number 3, problem 8. And I have you an example, and it is that problem in Simple Solutions. You can look back if you need to, just to kind of follow along. You can apply this same principle to other problems. A lot of you guys tend to kind of freak out on me when you see these stacked fractions like this. Simply rewrite like this, and this is going to help you so much. And most of you, when you see me do this, when we work these in class, it's almost like you take a sigh of relief as soon as you see it that way. And I get it, because I remember as a young student that this would do me the same way. But when you see this, you guys are used to seeing the leave, change, flip idea. Okay, so you'd leave the first one alone. You're going to change the operation from division to multiplication. And then you're going to invert or flip the other fraction. Now you can simply multiply straight across, top and bottom. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. And if you remember from our foldable, one more step, always simplify it, okay? Don't forget that step. The two things that you guys typically make mistakes on is simplifying. You forget to simplify, and then you forget to put your units on the end of your answer. So we need to find out if this will simplify, if there's a least common multiple here. So I can see by looking that 3 will go into 12, and it'll also go into 5. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and then now we are simplified in our lowest form. I was wanting to show you one more thing. There was a problem, and I don't remember the problem number. It had something like this. Remember that you can rewrite these. If you don't remember how to do that, you can rewrite it as a fraction. This is 2 and 4 tenths. 2 and 4 tenths divided by 1 and 2 tenths. So if you'll just say it out loud, you're actually saying the fractions. Now, I want these to be improper so that I can then leave, change, flip. So I go 2 times 10, because 2 wholes would be 10 tenths twice. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24 tenths. Divided by 1 and 2 tenths. 1 times 10 is 10, plus 2 is 12 tenths. Okay. And this may not be the exact problem that's in the book, but I worked it several times today, and I can pretty well remember it by heart. So we do leave, change, flip. So I have 24 tenths. So my opposite operation is multiplication, and then I need to invert or flip the fraction. Now I can multiply straight across. So that would give me 240 over 120, which equals 2 over 1 or 2. I'll do it this way, just to be clear. Okay. So I hope that helps. I know you could have done this probably in your head, most of you guys, but if you can see that and see how you get down to this, then you understand dividing fractions. Remember to see me on Remind, email, or in class if you have any questions.